If you see here on the board, the whiteboard, this is an example of earned value management where you will see we talk about controlling costs, and we say you have $1 million as a budget, and at any given point of time how you are performing, how are you controlling the costs, you can check that out by using earned value concepts. So you will see here in the Pmp guide they spent about I would say 5-6 pages in explaining this without any examples, but what we have tried to achieve here is a consolidated, cohesive, one-page depiction and display of the earned value concept. And you will see, so let's say if you want to find out right now where you are. So you have a planned value of 100K, and as far as the work is concerned, you've done 50%, which is 50K, but actual money that you've spent is 80K. So from now onwards until the end, what is your estimate to complete the project? Once you arrive at that number, it gives you an estimate at complete. It takes about an hour and a half and 2 hours to really explain this whole concept, and we use a very nice example of building your dream home in the Silicon Valley to explain that. But I'm not going to go that deeper and just give you an overview of what it entails here. So once you have the estimate at completion, you get how much is the variation from the defined budget. And then friends, you go about doing 4 things. You calculate variances, you calculate performance indexes, you calculate 2 complete performance indexes, and the 4th you calculate estimate at completion in different scenarios, and we list here 4 scenarios, EAC 1, 2, 3, 4 different scenarios. The first 2 here you see are the variances in cost, over budget, under budget. The next one is schedule variance, which is behind schedule, ahead of schedule, and cost performance index, schedule performance index. The next 2 complete performance indexes in the given budget and in the new estimate. So that is how we talk about earned value management, and we try to cover the costs and control the costs of the project and make forecasts based on our understanding. Well, if this is how we are doing, then how do we reach the end of the project? Can we really control costs and complete our project in the defined parameters? So the first scenario tells you that. The second one says, okay, no, I understand you make a mistake, but that mistake is not going to repeat. The third scenario says, no, real life scenario. It says mistakes happen all the time, and you cannot learn from that because factors beyond your control, supplier problems, or sponsor issues or customer issues. And then lastly, well, you're doing bad, but you have to hit the target date because you have to release the product before the competition does. So business pressure is there. So all these 4 scenarios help us in understanding in how much more money we can finish the project.